Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to test and replace your High Limit Thermostat on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The High Limit Thermostat is a safety device on dishwashers to avoid overheating and damaging the dishwasher if the thermostat fails. If the High Limit Thermostat fails, it can cause the dishwasher to not heat or dry the dishes properly. If you need to purchase a new High Limit Thermostat for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. You do not need to uninstall the dishwasher to complete this repair. To begin, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. The High Limit Thermostat is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. To remove, start by pulling firmly on the electrical connectors to disconnect them from the terminals. The thermostat sits in a heat-resistant shield which is held in place by a locking tab that snaps into the thermostat bracket. Gently press down on the locking tab while pushing backwards to separate the shield from the bracket. Then, press on the thermostat's terminals to remove it from the shield. To test the thermostat, you'll need a multimeter set to the continuity setting. With the thermostat at room temperature, touch one of the probes to each end of the terminals. If there is continuity, the multimeter will beep. If there is no beep, the thermostat is likely bad and will need to be replaced. The thermostat's temperature limit is between 207 and 217 degrees. If it exceeds this temperature, there should be no continuity. If you need to purchase a new High Limit Thermostat for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new High Limit Thermostat to the slot on the shield and press into place. With the terminals facing down, bend the bracket slightly, align the grooves on the side of the shield to the prongs, and press until it snaps into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connectors. Now, insert the access panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are oriented vertically, securing the access panel in place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.